Hello my beauties. In this video I will be reviewing this beautiful, affordable curly unit, as well as performing a straightening test and providing different styling options. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So dolls, excuse me, I'm catching a cold and we just had an earthquake and this was a kind of strong one, and it's so weird that since I've been in LA I've kind of learned to adjust to having these earthquakes. Honestly, the first time we had an earthquake, I didn't even realize it was an earthquake. I just thought my neighbors was partying hard and was shaking the ground. But after you live here for a while, you start getting used to it. But this one was kind of having me a little like nervous. Luckily, nothing fell or anything in my house and I am okay. Luckily, I was not recording during the earthquake because I didn't want to be like, oh girl. Reviewing a unit from RPG Hair today, and I kind of want to talk to you guys. So in the interest of keeping this video at a reasonable time, I'm going to show the unboxing in the corner as I talk. So this is going to be a really simple install. This is a glueless unit and it really doesn't take much to apply it. I did go ahead and wash this unit because it did have a smell when I opened the bag, and it was so weird because the smell was just on one section, but I did wash it. I was nervous that this wig was going to stay wet, but honestly this wig dried so fast. It dried in like 15 to 20 minutes. For 2020, I said I was going to talk to you guys just a little bit more so you guys get to know me and I get to know y'all a little bit better. And I wanted to talk about a subject that I've been wanting to address for a while. It really has started since the beginning of me starting my channel, and it's a kind of sensitive subject, but I just feel like I want to say my piece. When I first started my channel, the first hate comments that I got, oddly enough, were from highly religious people. You know, as you guys know, I do have Bible quotes in the beginning of my video, and the reason for that is really because I want to incorporate God in my channel, because I try to incorporate God in everything that I do because all my blessings flow through Him. But that being said, I never said that I was a representation of all Christian people. I never put myself on any pedestal because I'm a regular girl, lady, grown woman living her life, and I'm learning through the process. So I just thought it was like really ironic that the hate comments that I got and actually continue to get are mainly from the people who are so-called Christians and feel like they need to play Jesus or judge and tell me how I should live my life. Now dolls, this is a glueless unit. I do want to let you guys see this lace. This lace is not like any of the new technology lace, but as you can see, it doesn't really need to be because it still gives a really natural look. This is really a straight out of the box unit. However, I am going to do just slight adjustments to it to make it to my liking. But I say that to say that I just recently did a video with my son, and it's a try on haul, and someone felt the need to leave a comment and tell me not to hurt my feelings. First of all, when you start off not to hurt my feelings, you know you trying to hurt my feelings, so you can kind of say that, but your clothes are sleazy. And I just want to send a PSA to anybody who feels the need to tell a grown woman how to dress. Don't. That's all. I am grown. I think it should be common knowledge that I know how to dress myself, and unless I asked your opinion on how I should dress, people really need to leave their personal opinions to themselves, because let me tell you something. I'm gonna dress how I want to dress, Like I said, I am a child of God, but I'm growing and God is not finished with me yet. I'm not trying to project this perfect image. If that's the life you choose to live, by all means, live it. But don't project your beliefs or how you feel I should live my life on me. Because I tell you one thing, me and JC, we got a really good relationship, okay? And it's not up to be judged by someone from the public eye. I'm gonna use some of my Nairobi mousse on this, and this is just gonna help me lay down this hair. Okay, so y'all know I like to add baby hairs for my curly units. I just feel like it's so much easier to do this on a mannequin head as opposed to doing it on my head while wearing it. And as I showed you guys before, if you add a lot of mousse to the hair, it makes the baby hair so much easier to manage and form. And then once I'm finished, all I did was re-wet the hair to reactivate the curls, and I added some mousse to help keep the definition once it dried. So I'm just going to put some of my Fit Me powder on. And guys, I just said all of that to say that it really saddens me that there are people out there who are so holy filled but no earthly good. But I just want to remind them that you sin too. You're not blameless. You do sin. You probably just sin a little different from me. And the real question to ask yourself is, how many lives have you converted with that method? Coming off the way you do. Are you drawing people to Christ? Or are you drawing them away? And that's just a question that I would really love for them to ask themselves. Because I honestly feel like while the intent may be great, the method in which they're going about it is all wrong. And I'm just putting this along this hairline. Guys, of course, if you want to glue this down, you can, but I'm not, because this is a really simple unit and there's no need to complicate it. Looks really good. And it took me all of 10 minutes to do it. So dolls, let me give you the deets on this unit. As I mentioned, this hair is from RPG Hair. And if you guys saw my visit to the RPG showroom a couple of months back, this was the unit that I tried on in the showroom. I did want to take it home with me that day, but instead I took home the Yaki unit, which was bomb too, by the way. But I've been waiting to review this one. It's such an easy install. I really love units that are easy installs. And the price is really affordable. This is Remy human hair. Now, if you saw the video, you know the difference between Remy hair and Brazilian hair. If you haven't seen the video, I'll be sure to link that for you, just so you can have knowledge about the hair and like the categories and how they label them. This unit is in 14 inches and this is 180% density. And this is what the hair looks like after I just added some mousse to it, the Lotta Body. And that just kind of helped bring the curls out a little bit more. Can you guys see that? And I laid the baby hair down with this. I probably will cut this baby hair just a little bit shorter. It is a little long for my liking. But guys, I just wanted to let you get an idea on how easy it is to install this unit. You actually can have a unit that you could go from the box to out the door within 10 minutes. Okay, so as promised, I decided to do a straightening test on this unit. Now, I don't typically straighten my curly hair, but I do understand there are some people that need their wigs to be multifaceted, and I'm happy to tell you guys that once I wet the hair, the curls did come back, so you can wear this unit straight or curly. So I just decided to play with the hair and think of some different ways to wear it instead of just wearing it in its natural state. Whichever way you decide to wear it, just don't be afraid to be creative and make it your own. So that's pretty much it. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, I do have a coupon code for you guys. I'll put that across the screen, and I also have it listed in the description box down below. And I would love to hear you guys' thoughts on this topic. And if you are a person who are like the people who I was discussing, feel free to leave your comment down below as well, and we can have some interesting dialogue, as long as we all respect each other's opinions and we're respectful. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.